If you've been patronizing Hostinger for some time now, you'd have noticed that the new hosting packages are no longer bundled with Titan email accounts. Now, unless you're paying for Titan email as an add-on, Hostinger currently supports what seems to be an integration with Roundcube for its webmail services, and I can't help but notice its somewhat outdated interface. So, this is a quick guide on how to update the appearance of the Hostinger's webmail interface from this dull, outdated look to a cleaner and modern design. First, I'd need you to log into your webmail account, then click the settings icon and select User Interface from these options. Now let's shift focus to the Interface Skin section to make a selection from the available display options. My personal favorite among these options would be the Outlook skin, so let's go ahead and select that. Then click the Save button. This should automatically reload your webmail with the new look. We can further customize this appearance by switching to the Skin Look and Feel section. Here my preference lies with the outlined icons, and I recommend enabling this option for both the icon list and buttons. Lastly, you can decide whether to enable dark mode or stick with light mode. It's entirely up to you. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please leave a like, and I'll see you in the next one.